In this video, we will go through unboxing and operating your GREENWORKS Hedge trimmer. We have featured one of our 80-volt models. However, this guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS Pro 60-volt and 80-volt battery-operated hedge trimmers. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. This unit comes fully assembled. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully pull the hedge trimmer out of the box. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Before operating the hedge trimmer, the power source must be connected. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that the batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. The lockout switch is located within the front auxiliary handle. The trigger is underneath the handle. The rotation button is located on the bottom of the handle. Starting your hedge trimmer. Hold the trimmer with one hand on the trigger handle and the other on the front handle. The hedge trimmer will not start unless the front handle lockout switch is engaged. Squeeze the front handle to engage the lockout switch. Pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. You can use the rotation button to adjust the handle to different cutting positions. Pull the rotation button and turn the rear handle. Release the rotation button until it locks into position. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat source. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your hedge trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS hedge trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.